When uptime is measured in seconds, you can't afford poor planning and integration of your factory automation. Introducing Omron's Fleet Operations Workspace Core, or Flow Core. Flow Core is Omron's solution for setting up, integrating, and managing an autonomous mobile robot fleet in a factory environment. It provides the software tools to connect and configure the AMR fleet into your factory automation, establish maps, define operational rules, and ensure increased uptime on the factory floor. Flow Core brings continuous improvement by optimizing your factory process with feedback, flexibility, and simplicity. It allows you to run your facility with minimal downtime, operating 24/7, working collaboratively with humans and machines,